across from the Barakat Bazaar area. Go underneath the pathway, you come over here and you can see the Soviet New Writers Union. And so this is also an older building from that time period, from the Soviet time period. Most of these are being destroyed and replaced by high-rises. So right below this is actually an old statue of a book in front of the water here. And it says the books are as the father of the living. I'm just going to go over here just on the right of that. You're going to see where the poets are. Now, my history is not always accurate, but here we have Torzanzadeh, which is probably the early Soviet Tajik period. He wrote pro-Soviet stuff in Lohoti. They're dressed also in very Western dress, so Soviet poets. You have Jami, who was born in Mazar Sharif, just south of. And you have Omar Khayyam, who's known for his 4 phases of poetry, and he was more of a skeptic and also very profound, and he's in the center of all these. The Tajiks love Omar Khayyam, so very. And you have Abu Sina up above, who is more medical. You see something in his hand there on the left. Looks like probably a doctor type instrument or medicine. Rudeki in the middle. All this main street here in town is called the Rudeki Street. He was the main Tajik poet, promoted especially in the Soviet times. Not in the circle of Iranian poets, but he is the main Tajik poet because he's from this region. I think he was from Panjikent, if I'm not mistaken. And so then also you have next to him Firdausi, who wrote the Shahnameh and was from Iran area, and they claim them. So you have down here some different poems written in Tajik and Farsi script. So Danish and God Dilia. So if knowledge fills your heart, it's a light. It's light and shine your way. That's what Rudeki said.